Hi friends, welcome to my channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing well. So today I have received for repair this Sony player for this model with DZ350. I'll just show you the model number perfectly. So actually this is came from service center. The service center people told it's not repairable. This is the model. Okay guys, so we'll check what's the issue in this. The problem in this is I think it's showing some hello or the Bluetooth. It will get stuck up on Bluetooth. Like I'll just show you. I put it on now. Hey guys, it's on. So this is steady on Bluetooth audio. This is the issue. So it gets stuck on this only. So it's not moving from here. No switch is working. See, no switch is working. Nothing. So it's stuck up on Bluetooth. So let's check out what's the issue in this. Keep watching my video, my dear. I'll just show you what's the fault in this. It came from the service center. They told that we need to replace complete motherboard. I'll just show you what is the problem in this, and I will tell you how the problem can be solved. Please keep watching my video. We'll take it out this one. So guys, now see. So what we will do first we'll just clean out every area. See too much dusty it is. So we'll clean this one with the blower. First we'll clean, then I'll show you what is the fault in this. So first I will clean it with the blower. So it's a lot of dust over here. See, this is the dust. So we'll clean it first. Okay guys, now I have already cleaned the complete circuit board with the air. See, this is now it is clean. So now I'll show you what is the issue, how to solve this problem. Bluetooth audio stuck problem. This is the main IC. Okay guys, this is the main control IC. So this is the RAM. This is the RAM IC. This is the RAM IC which we need to replace with the new one. So if any Sony home theater stuck up on Hello or Bluetooth or any system, for all the fault we need to replace for Hello or for Bluetooth audio stucking. So we need to replace this RAM IC with the new one. This is the only one solution to rectify that problem. And this is the flash IC and this is the stream IC. So anyway, we'll check the voltages first over here. Some 32 volt, 16 volt, 12 volt and 5 volt and 3 volt, all those volts. If those volts are missing, then we'll look for another fault. So first check the voltages over there. Just keep watching my video. So I will put it on now. Keep one for grounding. So we'll use one as a ground. Okay guys, so I will put for ground this one. Now I'll connect this one to the power. I put it on. So now it's on. So we'll check the voltages over here. See guys, 32 volts coming here. These 3 points all are 32 volt only. See, all 32 volts, 3 point, all 32 only. Here 3 volt. So after that, this also 3. This is 5 minus 5. This 12. So all voltages coming perfectly. And here this is 5 volt. See guys. So it means that, see, all voltages are coming perfect. So it means that we'll just replace the RAM IC in this. Then we'll check it was the how. So it will get solved. And the stream IC, the pin number last is 1.8. Okay, the stream IC is also good. So now we'll start replacing this IC. Just keep watching my video because all voltages are perfect. No any abnormal voltage in the PCB. This power supply is also good because all voltages are coming output from the power supply. So our SMP is also working very fine. So we'll concentrate on the RAM IC only. So guys, now we'll start dismantling this cover, back cover, so that easily we'll desolder this RAM IC with the blower. So guys, we'll remove this one now. So now it's easy to for removing this IC. So guys, we'll try to remove this IC. Guys, we'll try to remove. See guys, we have removed. See guys, we have removed the old IC from here. This is the old IC. So now we'll clean this area first. Then we'll fix new IC. I got the new IC with me. This is the new IC. So what I will do, I will replace this with the faulty one. So first we'll clean this area first. So guys, now I already cleaned the area. See. So now what we'll do, we'll replace this one with a new one. This is new IC. This is the old IC. This is the old one. This is the new one. So now we'll solder all points. Each point we'll solder it and we'll test it. So guys, this is the new IC. This is the old IC. So we'll solder it properly. I already soldered some more points, but we'll solder it properly. So be careful, check all the points. Points should not get shorted to each other. So after soldering also, you should take care. This is very small side soldering, small point. So guys, I already soldered everything. Now we'll clean this area, just whatever is there. So guys, I already soldered this one. So now we'll put it on. See, the solder should be like this, very neat and clean. I just want to show you. It should be like this. So this is the old IC and this is the new IC. We replaced this RAM IC. So now we'll put it on and check. So we'll put it on now. We'll connect the power, everything. So let's check it out. See, it's on now. So Bluetooth is ready. Come now. See, Bluetooth is ready now. So now everything function is good. See, volume up and down. Function, USB, FM. Everything is working. Before it was not working. So now we'll connect the Bluetooth. We'll check it out. So guys, so this is the problem. I replaced this RAM IC. So like this we can sort out the problem of Bluetooth stuck up, and even hello problem also we can replace this RAM IC only. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Like it, share it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe it, and if you have any comments, please leave in a comment box. And please viewers, don't forget to press bell icon, so whenever I upload new video you should get immediately notification to you. And please like it, share it. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you for watching my video.